Wow.
That.
What is that? Lego.
Here.
What kind of Lego is that? Is that a Lego Friends? Wow. Yeah, hang on. We'll just check. So it's a Lego Friends, code 41689. And then there is a Ferris wheel and a slide castle, and some people or friends. So we're gonna do and assemble it.
Oops. Assemble it.
So, she cannot do it alone. Tulungan ko siya. So, we got... So, ang laman nila, guys, ay one bag. There's a number. Number 1. Number 2. Number 3.
There's some stickers.
Number 4. Oh, there's some sticker. And number 5. And then, it comes with a slide. 1 and 2. And then, this little base. And then, this is the instruction. Okay, open mo muna instruction.
I cannot do it.
You can do it?
I'm gonna use my scissors.
Okay.
Got my scissors.
Yeah, she will open it up, guys. Super excited. Thank you for Momai for the sponsor. Whoa, that's the instruction.
Oh,
So,
mirror.
ito siya. Ayan, ang magiging kakalabasan. And then, also, they got some stickers. Not yet, anak. We're gonna do that later. And then, 2 of them. Actually, 3. 3 instructions. So, let's go and start it. Okay. Number 1.
One, I gotta use my
Your scissor.
scissors.
My scissor, sabihin mo.
My scissors.
Careful. She's really good in cutting.
But
So,
careful,
ito, but you need to be...
guys.
Yeah, bakit daw magki-careful?
Because we need to careful.
Para hindi ma-cut ang...
Louisiana.
So, maliliit ang pieces. It's not really good for a toddler. So, we need adult para i-help ang batuta. So, we need more. So, I guess dito na lang to sa maliit. Dito lang number 2 ang ano. Nayat, baba. Lagay mo muna dito. Number 2. Lagay mo muna dito. Ito muna. And then 2.
Actually, it's like a small scissors. It's tiny. That's the whole box. There's some little ones too.
Yeah, and then number 3.
Number 3. Number 3.
So, lagay sa Tupperware para ano, hindi masumabog. Bakit daw nagki-careful sa ano? Sa scissor? Para hindi makat ang finger. Careful, guys. Don't do that without adult or mommy or daddy beside you. It's not for kids.
4.
And then 4 is this. Is it gonna fit here? Tignan natin.
I guess.
So 1, 2, 3.
4 and 5.
Ayun. Fit naman pala.
Maybe I can fit.
And then last one. Teka, kuha tayo ng mas malaki doon sa ano.
Because it's so much bigger.
Bigger siya.
I think there's a
So,
bigger.
dito yung number 4. Kasi madaming laman niya. So, dito na lang ang number 3. There we go. So, ayan. And then, we're gonna do it. So, we need this instruction. Ano ba yung nandito?
There's stickers. We're gonna do it right here.
So, this is the number 1. May mga numbers naman. 1 instruction, number 2 instruction, and number 3 instruction.
That's so many.
We need to do the first one. Put them away muna yung scissor. So, we need the number 1. Number 1. So, in number 1, so sa number 1, guys, ito, ayan, ito yung included niya. Makikita nyo rin siya online. So, ito yung mga character muna. I believe. Ayan. So, yan muna yung mga i-assemble natin for now. Ayan. Okay, let's get started. So, all the people. So, this one, guys. This one. Okay, open. Open mo.
With my scissors, because I love scissors. Where are I gonna place it?
Dito po.
Okay. To
Open.
build it.
So, we're gonna build the tao.
This is the top one.
This is the tao. This is a boy
This is a boy.
and a girl. So, meron siyang kasamang a tiny body, a head,
Maybe his hair. Maybe this hair.
and then the hair. Nasaan yung hair ng girl? This girl is on fire.
Here's her face. Is this her face or not? I guess. I think.
Ayan. So, meron siyang instruction how to do it. So, may mga colors and numbers. Ayan, guys.
There.
So, ito muna. Where is the...
feet. Now he needs his feet. Is this his feet? I don't know.
Ito pala yung iba. So, basta yan yung box number 1. So, ito yung hair ng girl. This is the hair. Okay. So, okay na ang girl, guys. Ayan. Tatayo na muna siya dito. And then the boy. And also, we need 3 of these. Tapos, red naman, yung i-connect natin. You wanna put the red? Oh, doon. Tapos, kukunin ko naman yung black na. It's like elbow pasta. No, on the other side. Dun sa white. Ayan, on side. Oops. Kaya hindi pa talaga to pwede sa age mo eh. Pero ito ang pinili mo. Ayan. It's like, what letter is that?
J.
J. And then, dito mo daw siya ilalagay. Ayan. Ayan na siya, guys. Tapos, next page. Ayan. Tapos, we're gonna do the orange on top of that. So, ito yung hawak ng lalaki na book or cell phone. I guess this is cell phone. Yan. Accessories niya. Tapos, number 5. Meron dito na number 5. So, ayan na siya, guys. Ayan na siya. So,
Mommy, can you
it's
help
like
me?
a candy shop.
Oh no! I need to turn.
Ayan siya, guys. The candy store. And then the girl in a boy. The girl and a boy with a stand, and then I don't know what is this. Hindi sinabi. So that's the first procedure. Let's go to the next one. So what can you say about dyan sa ano mo, anak?
Thank you.
Cute ba? It's cute?
Yeah.
It's cute.
It's too weird.